So let's start with the next part of the previous video, that is the exercise 2.1 question number 8. So we'll read out the question. The rate of premium is given 2%, okay, and the expenses are 0.075%. A cargo worth rupees 3,50,100 is to be insured so that all its value and the cost of insurance will be recovered in the event of total loss. See, insurance is only for the safety purpose we are taking it off, but then we are not getting the total what you can say reimbursement. According to our own premium, we will be getting the amount. So let's see, first the rate of premium is given 2%. So we will see that if the policy value is 100, so we'll write let the policy value of the cargo be 100 rupees, including the premium and other expenses. So let the policy value of the cargo be 100 rupees, including the premium and the other expenses. So the rate of premium is given 2% and the expenses are given 0.75%. So the value of cargo will be 100 minus this 2%, 0.02 plus 0.075. Actually this will be 2%, so that is 2 plus this. So this will come up as 97.25 rupees. Then when the value of cargo is 97.25, the policy value is 100 rupees, right? So therefore when we will calculate when the value is 3,50,100 rupees, then what will be the policy value? So it's simple. So I'll write I'll write it here, the cargo and the policy value. I'll write like this. I'll try to make the kind of a table. Okay. So when the policy value of the cargo is 100 rupees, this is 97.25, right? The cargo is 97.25, and when the cargo worth rupees 3,50,000 is to be insured, then we are supposed to find out the cost of insurance, right? So when this is 3,50,000, what would be the 50,100, what will be this value? So our equation will be 100 multiplied by 3,50,100 divided by this 97.25, and that will come up 3640, that is 3,60,000 rupees. So policy value will be, therefore the policy value of the cargo will be rupees 3,60,000. See, we have given the rates over here 2%, and this is also rate given. So we have considered the policy value of the cargo being as 100 rupees. 100 में से इतने होंगे तो 3,50,000 का कितना होगा? इस तरीके से हमने, this is something like unitary method which we used to do it prior. So this is the way we have solved the example. Now the next, a property worth rupees 4 lakh is insured with the 3 companies A, B, C. There are 3 different companies. The amount insured with these companies is 1,60,000 and 1 lakh and 1,40,000 respectively. So that is from company A, it will be 1,60,000, from B 1 lakh, and from C 1,40,000. So find the amount recoverable from each company in the event of a loss to the extent of rupees 9. So we will make the table over here. So let us make a table for this. So we'll write company and the amount insured. So there are three companies. From A respectively the amount is 1,60,000. From B it is 1 lakh, and from C it is 1,40,000 rupees. Altogether it is in rupees. So the claim, how we will calculate? Policy value divided by property value multiply by loss. Okay, so this we will calculate for company A. So for A company, what it will be? Policy value is 1,60,000, property value is 4 lakh, multiplied by loss is 9,000. Okay, so this 1,60,000, so this will 4 zeros will get cancelled over here, right? And then 16 into 9 divided by this, one more zero also will get cancelled over here, and then the answer you will get it as 3,600 rupees. Here it will be 4 4s are 16, and then 900 multiplied by 4, so it will come up 3,600 rupees. Now similarly we will calculate for company B. So now company B, what is the policy value? 1 lakh divided by property value, same 4 lakh, multiplied by this 9,000. So lakh ke 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 5 zeros will get cancelled, and then you will get it here, it is 9,000 divided by 4, so that will come up as 2,250. Okay, and similarly we can calculate for company C, and that amount will come up as 3,150. So we will do the next sum. A car valued rupees 8,000 is insured for 5 lakh. The rate of premium is 5% less 20%. Okay, how much will be the owner bear including the premium if the value of the car is reduced 60% of its original value? Now this is something sounding like a what you can say, the loss only. Why? Because see, whenever you are selling something, any good, any article, it always calculate the depreciation, and then depreciation reduces the value of the from the original value, and that's why here it is 60% reduced value it is considered. So first we will calculate the value of car is 8 lakh. ₹8 lakh. Policy 5 lakh. Policy value 5 lakh rupees. Okay. Then the rate of premium now. Rate of premium is what? 5% less 20%. So that will be 20% of 5% minus this 20% of 5. So this 5% will be as it is, minus 20 upon 100 into 5. Correct? So this will be 25, so this will be 1. So that will be 5% minus this 1%. So this will come up as 4%. Is this clear? Rate of premium, what it is given, just see. The rate of premium is 5% less 20%. Less 20% of same 5%. So that's why I have calculated here 5% minus 20% of 5. And that will come up as 4%. Now we will calculate the amount of premium. Amount of premium will be what? Policy value, 4% of this policy value. 4% of policy value. So that will be 4 upon 100 into this 5 lakh. So this 2 zeros will get cancelled and you will get this amount as 20,000 rupees. Correct. Now the value of car is reduced. So now we will calculate the further part of it. That is, the value of car is reduced to 60% of its original value. So we original value is 8 lakh. 8 lakh का 60% हमें पहले निकालना पड़ेगा. तो value of car we will calculate. So value of car will be this 60% of 8 lakh. So 1 2 1 2. So 8 6 are 48. And then remaining zeros 1 2 3 4. So that will be 4,80,000 rupees. And now we will calculate the loss. Loss is nothing but the original value minus this 4,80,000. So that will come up as 3,20,000 rupees. And then we will calculate the claim. So that will come up insured value, that is 5 lakh upon this property value which is 8 lakh multiplied by this loss 3,20,000. Now this lakh ke 5 zeros will get cancelled. Okay, then 8 4s are 32 here and 1 2 3 4. So 4 5s are again 20. So this will come up 2 lakh. 2 lakh rupees. And then loss of owner will be loss minus this claim and plus the premium. Okay, so this will be loss is 3,20,000. फिर claim कितने का किया था, ये 2 lakh and then plus this 2 lakh premium is, so the total loss will be 1,40,000. This will be 20,000. This will be 20,000 and then the final answer you will get it as 1,40,000 rupees. Okay, so now we will do the next sum. So a shop and a godown worth rupees 1 lakh and 2 lakh respectively were insured through an agent who was paid 12% of the total premium. If the shop was insured for 80% and godown for 60%, find the agent's commission and rate of premium was 0.8% less 20%. So value of shop is 1 lakh and godown is 2 lakh. तो 80% का policy value है, तो that we have calculated 80% of 1 lakh, that will come up 80,000. Then 60% of 2 lakh, so that will come up 1,20,000. So total policy value will be 80,000 plus this 1,20,000, so that will come up as 2,000. Now on this we have to supposed to calculate the rate of premium, but the rate of premium is given as 0.80% less 20%. So 0.80% minus 20% of 0.80. So that will come up 0.64%. And then we will calculate the amount of premium on 2 lakh. So 2 lakh multiplied by this 0.64 divided by 100. So that will come up 1,280 rupees. Now on this amount of premium, the agents are getting the commission and that rate is 12%, right? Agent's commission rate is 12%. Here it is clearly written through an agent who paid 12%, means agent का commission 12% है and premium का इस तरीके से calculate किया है. तो premium का interest काफ़ी कम होता है लेकिन agent का थोड़ा ज़्यादा होता है. तो that's why here agent's commission is 1,280 multiplied by 12 upon 100 and that will come up 153.60. तो आइए चलते हैं अगला क्वेश्चन कर देते हैं. The rate of premium on a policy of 1 lakh is 56 per 1,000 per annum and the rebate of 0.75 per 1,000 is permitted if the premium is paid annually. Then we have to calculate the net amount of premium payable if the policy holder pays the premium annually. Okay, so now we will do the question itself. It's quite a simple question. Policy value is 1 lakh. Now the rate of premium is rupees 56 per thousand per annum. मतलब क्या, हर एक 1000 rupees पे every year 56 rupees will be given. Okay, and rebate is 0.75. The is permitted when the premium is paid annually. So this rebate will be subtracted from that amount. So rate of premium we will calculate. Rate of premium will be this 56 minus this rebate 0.75. So that will come up rupees 55.25. Now when the policy value is 1000, the premium is this. What is the meaning of this? When the policy value is 1000, the premium will be 55.25. And then when we have to calculate when the policy value is 1 lakh, what will be the premium? So the net premium we will calculate. So the net premium will be this 55.25 multiply by this 1 lakh divided by this 1000. So these 3 zeros will get cancelled. Okay, these 2 more zeros also will get cancelled and you will get the answer as 5525. So the policy holder will pay 5,525 rupees. So the policy holder pays rupees this 5,525 premium annually. Okay, this is how the question is very simple. Now we will do the next question. A person takes a life policy for a period of 20 years. Okay, policy of 2 lakh and for a period of 20 years. He pays premium for 10 years and during which bonus was declared at an average of rupees 20 per year per 1000. Find the paid up value of the policy if he discontinues paying premium after 10 years. So this is something quite interesting question. So we will do that. Policy value is 2 lakh rupees. Okay, he had paid it for 20 years per 1000. So we'll calculate bonus. Bonus how we will calculate? 2 लाख पे हमें पर 1000 से 20 से कैलकुलेट करना है. So this will come up 4,000 rupees. How? Just see, this 1 2 3 zeros will get cancelled and this will be 200 multiplied by 20. So that it will come up 4,000. Now bonus for 10 years, this is 1 year bonus. Bonus he will be getting for 10 years, right? So bonus for 10 years will be 4,000 multiplied by 10. So that will be 40,000. Now period of policy is 20 years. So the yearly premium paid, yearly premium will be what? This 2 lakh 20. So that will come up 10,000. Correct? And then premium paid for 10 years. 10,000 multiplied by 10. So that will be 1 lakh rupees. And on this 1 lakh, we have to find out that paid up value. So paid up value will be what? Paid up value, premium paid plus bonus. Whatever the premium you are paying, that is 1 lakh rupees plus this bonus 40,000. So you will get at the end of the 10 year, that is 1,40,000. See, the policy value is 2 lakh. उसके ऊपर 20% पहले calculate किया. So that is 20 rupees was given per 1,000. So on 2 lakh how much? So that will be 4,000. Then bonus for 10 years will be given. So that will be 40,000. अब पॉलिसी पीरियड कितना है? 20 ईयर्स का है. सो ईयरली प्रीमियम वी विल कैलकुलेट 2 लाख अपॉन 20 ईयर्स, सो दैट विल बी 10,000. अब ये 10,000 10 साल दिए हैं, तो दैट विल बी 1 लाख रुपीज. So that will be sum assured, and then on that sum assured this bonus will you will get it as it is. So paid up value will be 1 lakh plus 40,000, that is 1,40,000 rupees. Means the person will get 1,40,000 rupees at the end of the 10 years, after 10 years. So this is how we have completed exercise 2.1. Be with us on PHU Gold digital platform. We will also have the live sessions for doubt clearing. For that you can enroll yourself by calling us or mailing us on the given IDs. Thank you.